Hi, and welcome to my video demonstration. Today, I'll be showing you how you can navigate as an instructor around the AI4Green4Students app. That will help you to support your students as they plan, they experiment, execute, and even write reports. So once you have logged in, this is your landing page. If you have created any project group, you will see them listed on your page, just like you can see here. Clicking on each button will expand for you to see the students in the project group. So for these tests, you can see the students, one student there. Okay, if you haven't created any project group, the very first time you're logging in, you will not have any project group listed. So you will use this button new to create your project group. If you click on it, then you can now create. It's advisable to use the name of the experiment the student is doing. For example, say coumarin. You can say coumarin. Create. Consider the coumarin project. It doesn't have any button by the side. It can be, it's not expandable because I've not added any students. You can use here to invite students into the group. So you can invite students by email, for example. Invite. Once you've done that, you can see the student. I've successfully added one student. Can do it this way. You can also come here. You have your user management. I want to add new user. So that's the user that I want. I can manage role here. I can change it to students. Once you've created the project group, I've invited students or added students to the project group, and they've started, planning the experiment. When they finish planning the experiment and submit to you, you can always come here to check. So for this project group, if you want to see the group activity, for all the students in that, you can view the project group activity. So here you will see the planning they've done, the literature as a group, what they're going to be doing week by week here outlined, and other notes they've added as a group. But when you want to see that of the student for each student, okay, you expand the project group, click on the student, that takes you to their individual page. So here you will see all the plans that the students have created, those that you have approved and those that are waiting, those that you are requesting changes and those that are in review. Okay, so that's the new plan that the student created. If I click on it, I will look through one by one. So reaction scheme, for example. Let's scroll. I can see one in here. I can see that the hazard code is not correct. Yeah, I have feature. So it's either I approve this if it is correct or I add comment. But in this case, I want to add comment. Click on add comment. Say wrong hazard code. Add comment. Okay. So the student will now see this once they open. It's going to alert them that you have added some comments. They can now go in, make those changes, and then resubmit it back to you. Once I'm done, that's for the reaction scheme. Then I can go to course form, check if I need to add comments. Safety data, go through that. Experiment procedure, go through that. Once I'm done, I can come here, request change, because I haven't approved any of those, so I can request change. Okay. Once I click this request change, then the student gets that notification, make all the necessary corrections, and then send them back to me to review. For the ones that I've approved, I can come here and look at their reaction notes.